Hello everyone, I'm Kirk Taylor from Paul Rich Construction. I'm the senior project manager on this project, and I want to welcome you guys to 1933 Restaurant and Tavern at the Hotel Hershey, which was previously the Harvard's Tavern. The renovations are complete, and we're going to do a walkthrough with you today. This is the private dining area. In this area, we completed paint touch-ups, all new chandeliers, wall sconces, and our awesome faux beams that we painted up to make them match the rest of the existing beams out in the existing area, and all new flooring. The significance of the new name 1933 Restaurant and Tavern at the Hotel Hershey was the year the Hotel Hershey was built, and also Paul Rich, 1933 was the year we were founded. So let's take a walk out. We're going to meet Erick Ramsey. He's the guy who has all of his fingerprints on everything in here on a daily basis. Hi Erick, how are you doing today? We're in the main dining area. Erick, you want to tell us what all we did in here?
Sure. After we did some upgrades in the kitchen and in the service area, we ended up getting into the wallpaper, painting, lighting, and flooring in this dining area. The booths were upgraded, reupholstered, beautiful blue, stain details, and touch-ups.
They look like they're really comfortable to sit in too.
They are. They're excellent, excellent. This was actually a closed wall in the beginning, and this was opened up so that you get the full light effect through. And then we move on out to the other tables.
The bar here is twice the size, maybe even a little bit bigger than what the previous bar was at Harvard's Tavern.
Well, on the outside, we've got these beautiful wood panels, and those actually are all removable, so you can access all the plumbing and electric in case you need to get any service done. And we've got a lot of really interesting personal touches with all the equipment. One of the challenges that we had was there's a lot of under-counter lighting and above the head lighting, and it had a lot of controllers. So what we did when we were creating this custom paneling here, we built a cabinet. You could hide all the controlling in. This structure here is 2,200 pounds?
2,200 pounds was all custom made by a local fabricator to come in for the liquor storage and to hold all the TVs. So Erick, this was a pretty special project. What made this project special for you, and what made some of the difficult items that we had to jump over?
Boy, I think the biggest thing for me was the team of people was really awesome. There's a lot of communication, a lot of working together. We figured out problems together and found solutions together. It really helped keep things moving really smooth.
Do you think the time period that we had to do it in was a tight time period to get it all done?
It was definitely a tight time period, but everyone was really into the project and dedicated, and we just were able to make it work.
Yeah. Along with that, we had a lot of design changes. We had things that as we were going along, they found that was going to be better for the end user, which is the 1933 Restaurant and Tavern at the Hotel Hershey. Dave, I think that contributed to getting this finished out. We highly recommend, Erick and I, that you guys come and visit 1933 Restaurant and Tavern at the Hotel Hershey. We think it's a pretty special spot, and we personally have tried out the food and the beverages, and we recommend them all.
Fantastic.
So stop up here with your wife, your girlfriend, your family, and enjoy the food and enjoy the new finishes in place. Cheers. Cheers.